Hi, ako si The Raven.
My name is Handsome James, your favorite magician.
I am Rosella, the Lady Magician.
And I'm Ted Bravo.
And we are Team
Magic of Inner Magic Club!
Again, we are from Inner Magic Club Philippines. We established here in 1996.
And not only ang members namin is from Manila, pero meron din kami from Davao, from Iloilo, from Zamboanga. So nationwide Magic Club po kami.
Papawalain po namin si Ding Dong.
Wag, baka mawala yung pera din
Ay,
natin.
sorry. Kami papalit.
Yung kalaban na lang natin pawala.
Kalaban namin, pag tumingin sa amin, ma-hypnotize na.
Ma-hypnotize.
Hindi na nila alam sagot mo. Kung maniwala dun, facts.
We focus more on the imagination and creativity of a person.
Correct.
Kasi there's no such thing as facts. Alam niyo bakit?
Bakit?
It's all an illusions.
It's all in the mind.
Hindi pag-asa. Masasabi lang namin siguro is, wala na kayong pag-asa.
Sa amin po, hindi pa po lumalabas yung resulta na ano na po namin. Nasulat na po namin sa parang.
Predict na.
Actually, ito siya oh.
And the name is...
Guys, abangan nyo kami dito sa
Family Feud!